Today I have this amazing dimmable light for you. The installation is so easy, anyone can do it. Each light comes with a built-in magnet that sticks directly to any metal surface. No tools needed. So if you don't have a metal nearby, use the included adhesive strips, which is these ones, or screws to mount the metal plate anywhere you like: walls, hallways, staircases, closets. Then just snap the light into place magnetically like this. Let's install it together. Basically, all what you need to do is choose where you want it to be installed, place it in here, and get the screws that comes with it and just screw it in it. Just screws in place. You just place it here. Look how easy and simple. It's just like perfect. This is the second way of installing. You get the double-faced tape that comes with it already, like this, and you remove the other side and you stick it on the wall and you just snap it on the wall. Charging is just as simple. Lift it off, charge via USB, and pop it back. You just place it like this and you just pop it back. And once installed, the motion sensor does the rest. With a powerful 5000 mAh battery, you get up to 60 days of use in motion mode, or 10 hours of continuous light on a single charge. Can you believe that? You can choose from 3 modes: motion sensor night only and motion sensor anytime. Stay on mode for constant light. And I will be using the remote control to adjust the brightness, and you can switch between 3 color temperatures. So here is using the remote control to switch between the 3 color temperature. Let me see: warm, neutral, and cool. And set timers, plus it remembers your last setting. So if you switch it off and then on, or if it motion sensor like your motion, it will remember your last setting, whether it was cool, warm, or neutral. I want to show you the motion sensor effect. You see that? I will show you the motion effect. It's perfect for hallways, stairs, bedrooms, closets, kids' rooms, or any dark corner where you need stylish wire-free light. They are gorgeous. Look at my kids' bedroom. It added this amazing little touch to it. It's easy to install, smart to use, designed to glow when you need it. This is the Eneru motion sensor wall light set. I love it. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching. Cheers.